It's so hot today that I'm literally not going to use any choke to start the bike. Let's see what happens. Hi. I can't hear my bike at all over his. I'm just kind of going by muscle memory when the shift. All right, so this is going to be a follow-up video to my other video of how I got burnt out on audio syncing and everything, and I'm trying to get my camera built-in microphone to record better sound without wind and everything, so I don't have to use the sound recorder just for the fact of getting clean sound. So today I've put the waterproof back on. I've covered basically the only open area I have on my camera right now is the side where I plug in the USB because I drilled a hole in the case. So everything else is closed now, where on the first video I had the open back on. Well, it's not that open, it's just 2 slits in the back, and I don't know, I'm just trying different things because I'm still not happy with it. So we're going 45. I hear the wind in my ears like usual. Here is the camera's built-in microphone. And I'm gonna vary the speed, the engine a little bit, so you can kind of hear the difference between the wind and the engine. So next test, I'm going to switch to the frame mount, which is basically a completely open mount, which means the lens and everything is exposed. The camera's like totally open, so I'm going to try that next. The camera just kind of slides in there, you put it, you know. So the point of this test is in case the other case is too quiet to hear the engine. Anyway, the idea is that it's less muffled, more direct sound is coming in. Now, I've never actually ridden this with this case on before because I was always afraid of bugs and rocks and stuff coming up and hitting my lens. But I found out that the lenses are only like $5. So now I'm going to keep talking, but I'm going to put my built-in microphone sound on, and just to see if it can even hear me or not. So I'm talking now, I'm going 45, 46, and I have no idea if I can turn up the music. So I've gotten back to the computer and checked the other 2 examples. Basically, the waterproof back door one turned out good, but it's so muffled you can't hear me talk at all, so talking wouldn't be an option with that, but there was no wind. So I'm trying to get a good combination of letting sound in and not letting wind in. What I did was I sat in front of the computer doing tests by blowing at the camera, and I found out that the lens itself is letting air in. I had no idea. So I actually have to use the waterproof case. Okay, here's a test completely rigged up. I mean, I have the back door off and everything, taped up and rubber banded. This is me at a stoplight talking. Microphone is built in, using the built-in microphone. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.